In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add button in System IO. So once you are in System IO dashboard and then go to the funnels. Now here you will see all of your funnel. So let's open your funnel. Just click on your funnel. For that you can view your funnel and then you can edit funnel. Just click on edit funnel. Now on the left panel, go to the button and drag it, and here is the button. Just click on that. Now what if when anyone click on button, you can choose the action, you can choose show pop-up, you can choose open URL. After that, do you want to redirect user after contact registration? So you can select from to a custom URL or no redirection. Now go to the scroll down and here you can see button width. Currently it's full width. You can make it full width, and here you can see margin top 25 pixel. You can increase or decrease, and bottom, left, right. Now go to the button text. Now change the button text and button font size. You can increase the button font size, line height. You can change the button font style. Just click on that and select any font which one you want to add. Button subtext, just you can keep it or delete it, or you can add new text, and you can change other things. After that, click on save changes. Now go to preview, and here is the button we have added. This is how you can add button in System IO. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.